Click the building's layer name in the Attributes pane to highlight it. Type XX Esther Drive in the address box and click Tab to enter it. In the Attributes pane, click on the first buildings feature in the list. The building it represents will flash on the screen. Click several times if need be to see which house number it needs. Edit the XX in the address field and replace it with the house number. Click the next entry and enter its house number. Repeat until all of the addresses are correctly entered. Save the edits and save the project.